Hi everyone! Today we have a festival look with makeup and hair. I am starting with doing my makeup, and obviously I prepared my skin before that by moisturizing it. I'm going in with foundation and making sure that I'm getting the foundation everywhere, even on my neck. I'm contouring my face a little bit, just with a stick, and then with a brush. Just make sure you get in and blend everything so it doesn't look very bad and too dark. I'm going on my forehead right now, and then you can go by the eyes just to make your face look a little bit smaller. And also more contouring over here. Now we're applying the concealer under my eyes, and I'm doing a lot of it just because it makes your face look a little bit brighter and really nice when you do a special makeup look. Then also applying concealer on my nose, forehead. And then just blending everything in with a powder. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. And when I'm doing festival looks, I'm making sure that my eyebrows look a little bit darker, just because the eyes will have a lot of color and you want your eyebrows to show at least a little bit. And, even if you have normal blonde eyebrows like I do, when you do a festival look you want to go with a little bit of a darker shade. And then you can finish with contouring everything and cleaning everything with the same concealer under your eyebrows so they look nice. And then we're putting the eye primer, so we can start with the color and with the eyelids. We start with the yellow bright on the eyelid, and you can choose a very nice palette that has a great bright colors for festival looks. After the yellow, we're gonna go with the orange, and I'm trying here to blend them a little bit, but you can always add more at the end. And then the finished one is going to be a pinkish purple, but you can obviously choose your own colors that you like the most. This is what I went with. And then on this part, I'm just cleaning everything with a clean brush and blending everything so it looks really nice. Don't worry if you missed a little bit of orange, you can always add more so it looks brighter. And then I'm putting some glitter on the end of my lids, and the glitter I'm sticking it with some lipstick. After that, I'm going in with a black eyeliner. You can always go super extra. This is a festival look. You can do a blue eyeliner or a red one. You can always clean like this. As you can see, I'm just putting concealer over it and blending everything so that way don't mess up anything. After this, we're gonna do the under eye part with the same colors that we did on top. Same yellow, same orange, and same purple. Make sure you just go with a very slim brush and just blend everything really well. The eyelashes are the next part that we're gonna do, and then the lips. And I went for a pink. Again, you can do purple, something super extra, blue. And we're also putting some face jewels. I chose to put just on one side. I thought it's nicer, but you can always do more. And for hair, we're gonna prepare the two front parts for two braids by adding some Kanikalon hair. It's just a normal French braid, three-way, and you're just adding this piece to it. It's really easy. I tried to take a Kanikalon that is matching the colors that I put on my eyelids, and it's gonna match my whole festival look. And you can always add more if you want them longer. You can do them super long by just adding another part of the braid and matching those colors. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, just 3 parts adding the Kanikalon hair, going under or on top, however you want to do it. And then you will see here I am going to add one more piece just to make it a little bit fuller and longer. And here you have both braids. Now for the back part, I parted my hair and I'm gonna do 2 buns. You can do them very sleek, obviously, if you want. I went for just a normal look with the buns and doing 2 braids, really easy, adding some bobby pins, pulling through the hair, just the buns to look a little bit bigger. Again, you can do them sleek if you want, and adding some hair gel or hairspray like I'm doing here for the actual buns, just so they look a little bit bigger and stay a little bit nicer. I'm adding some hair gel just so I can stick some glitter on my hair. You can go the whole way down on the back with adding the glitter. I decided just to go on the front because I thought this looks nicer, and you can obviously do a lot more glitter or different colors. This is the final look that I had. I didn't have my outfit on, but these are the earrings that I chose to put on and some jewelry, and you can see the same look that we did outside, just because we wanted you to see how it actually looks on the sun. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and let us know how went your festival look. Send us pictures. We're happy to share everything. Bye bye.